on like technicals.
Yeah, facts.
Cause at that point you can even average in.
I'm about to go crazy.
Oh yeah,
I can see it, bro.
yeah, you
I
good.
already see my trade, dog. I already see the future trade. It's Nvidia, bro. I'm about to probably put like it's looking like it's gonna be like 20, 30K. Fucking 1 week out contracts, maybe 1 day out contract. Depends. I don't know, but
On that
yeah,
video.
dog. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just see. I'm gonna see how it plays out though. We'll see how it plays out.
Yeah, definitely holler at me when you get ready to do that. I'll give you my best idea, on whatever it is you're looking at.
For sure.
Nvidia is always a good start to do shit like that with. We just we gotta be aware of the technicals and with the bubble on AI, how like certain things on I think are gonna start getting catching taking some hits because
Yeah.
they ain't showing as much profit just yet. And they done
Right. Right.
invested so much in the AI, so without showing much profit, I think hold on, come on, come on. Yeah, without showing much profit, they their forward guidance gonna start having to get real back. Like they're gonna have to start lowering their forward guidance. That's what's gonna happen with Palantir, bro. Mark my words, dog. It's coming down. Like it don't
I
have a
know.
choice.
I can see it.
I hope I got the timing right on it, and that it ain't gonna keep pumping with the market. If the market keeps surging, like it can't go too much further, like to the upside. But it's
Yeah.
already
No.
overbought. Like it's been overbought, so it's coming down. Um, just want to be aware of that though, like and make sure. But Nvidia is like the leader of all this shit. So if you gonna do
Yeah.
it with any of them, that's the one that's gonna buck the system out of all of them.
And you know that bitch has been chilling, bro. She's been chilling right now. It didn't do much. So, and it's just at that level, bro. It literally the high is 150 on the dot. That's what it tapped, and then it just came down. So it's just like, man, that motherfucker about to go crazy, dog.
Check the YouTube real quick for me.
Let me see.
I'm gonna grab me a napkin and a drink real quick. What we looking like?
Nah, I don't think it's live, brother.
It's not.
I don't think so. I don't see it. Let me see.
It says live on my OBS studio. They got the red dot on there.
Nah, you ain't live, dog.
Damn, my
Yeah.
bad. Let me start it back. Go to the OBS studio. Alright, public. Let me know if it's on now.
Yeah, you live.
We got you.
Yeah, I don't see us though.
It should be about to come up. It's a little bit late. It should be about to come. What is it? It got you up on the screen now, right?
Yeah, let me drop the link.
I'll crop out the beginning once it's over with. That's what I did with the last one. I went and cropped out the beginning when we was talking and shit. So, yo, we can get it popping from here. See, I'm gonna keep this up over here so I can see your screen. Keep this over here in the corner. All right. I'm gonna bring the live up right here on this iPad. I got Disney up first, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing up YouTube Studio on the iPad, but I got Disney up for you. We can go ahead and get rocking.
All right. Hold on, let me send this link out to it.
I need to do that same shit. Send them the link in the group if they gonna join.
Yeah, I'm about to send it. Alright, bet.
Okay, there we go. Let me see.
Alright, man, for the week, what we looking at? It's gonna be another crazy week coming. Another crazy week.
Alright,
we got-
for sure. What we got?
Yeah, we got Disney, we got Home Depot, we got Cisco, Spotify, Instacart, and we got a bunch more other stocks reporting earnings this week. But the top stocks we looking at this week is Disney. Well, the top stocks I'm looking at this week: Disney, Nvidia, Tesla, and Meta and Shopify. So Disney and Shopify, those are the two that got earnings this week. So I think I'm gonna go through with earnings on them, or I might play pre-earnings on Disney. On Shopify, I can't really do it because their earnings come out Tuesday morning. I believe pre-market Tuesday. Yeah.
I'm trying to get the earnings up real quick since you started with those. Okay, I got them up on the screen now.
All right, bet. Let's see.
I know you say you was watching for earnings.
Yeah, Disney. I'm really watching Disney. I like Disney a lot. I've been watching them for quite some time, and just where they at now, I feel like they got a lot more room to grow, and they got a lot going on in their sector with the Disney Plus,
Yeah.
and they parks and stuff. So I'm really liking them. I feel like they did good on their past 3 earning run-ups, or past 3 months.
Okay.
And
so that was that's your fundamental side on Disney. I got the chart up now on Disney.
yeah,
So
So you know, tell me what you see on Disney. What you got on Disney? What you looking at?
I had
I know you already told me, but tell them what you looking at.
I had I had a double talk forming on Disney about what, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, October
Yeah,
21. That was Monday. I had a double talk drawn out on those. It ended up failing that structure, and it consolidated, and then it popped last week with the market. So honestly, looking at it from a technical standpoint, with this gap up and us being at the top of the RSI on our 4 hour chart, we're a little oversold, overbought. My bad. We're a little overbought, but um, we have until Thursday for earnings, so this can get closed quick. This gap can get
yeah,
closed quick, and this can move around quick. Like that 4 hour chart can come back down here to the same area that it consolidates, and then it can pop for earnings again. So
yeah. I can see a nice little upside on it before earnings. Maybe like a $5 move or something. You know,
now,
all
if we
throughout the
get a
week.
push before earnings, I like puts.
For
I
sure,
like
for sure.
puts after, like depending on how it does before, like leading into earnings. I like the puts like afterwards, but that'll be a good one to watch because, like you said, if we go out to the weekly and the daily, I'm pretty sure they at the bottom side coming
Yeah, they
back
have the
up.
back.
Yeah, they coming back up on
Yeah,
the weekly. So long term, Disney is in an uptrend. Like they've begun an uptrend now from bouncing back here in August, the summer lows. So your short
yeah. I like.
term kind of low. Oh, you kind of high on your short term daily and under, but the weekly we've rounded out and we pushing back to the upside.
Right, right. Yeah, I love Disney long term just because of where it's at.
Hmm.
It's at such a low price for Disney, you know. Disney's big and they only getting bigger, you know. They only gonna get
They gonna figure it out. They keep growing.
they gonna figure it out.
Yeah, they gonna figure out how to keep growing. And then you see back here in last year around the same time, November, it broke that
Yeah.
200. It consolidated
Yup.
in December, and then January it pushed right back up. So we could get some similar activity like we got last year. This is November 13th, Monday, and we starting this week November 11th. You know what I'm saying? So we at kind of the same areas. This is the equivalent week last year for
Yeah, yeah.
this week we just passed. So we could get the same type of action. But push, consolidate, and then continue higher. So we'll see how that one play out. I like that.
It-
I like Disney long term.
Disney definitely long term. So yeah, if they do pull back on their earnings, bro, I'ma load it up on Disney. I'ma
Yeah,
load up on Disney. So
yeah.
if
If they pull
they
back on their earnings, they gonna set up nicely for continuation to the upside. That'll be a nice. We start, especially if we get down here. What is this? Like 90. Yeah, if we get down there towards the 90s. If we get down towards 90, that's a hell of a level to get in and then catch that back to the upside.
yeah, that'd be beautiful. I'll buy long term contracts on those.
Yeah, for sure.
Call, yup.
And
So what
next
we
you
got
had
next? What we got?
Nvidia. You had Nvidia next. Um,
Yeah, video.
Go ahead and give me
Man, what?
your standpoint on fundamental.
Yeah, Nvidia, man. Nvidia to the upside, man, above 150. It tapped at 150. Um, it tapped at 150, and as you can see, we just seen Tesla go crazy at the 300. It's just psychological levels right now. I see it's like a trend. It's a trend going on right now to where I see everything hitting psychological levels. So
Yeah,
Nvidia tapped at 150 last week, and now is, you know what I'm saying, it's chilling a little bit below it. But I'm thinking, maybe tomorrow, I think it's gonna get above that 150. I'm really liking Nvidia to the upside. And then also on the contracts, there's a lot of volume going in on what are those? The 150 contracts that expire November 15th.
yeah, you did say the 150s.
Yeah, so there's a lot of volume on those, and I like those. And the IV's pretty cool on them. The IV's like 40%. And I think I'm gonna play them. I think I'm gonna play them heavy, but I'm gonna kind of see how they open up tomorrow. And I'm gonna definitely buy probably a couple contracts off the open. But I want to play. I really want to play it heavy. So I'm looking forward to do just show some type of miracle, some type of magic. You know what I'm saying? Just show me something to where I feel comfortable getting in on a bigger purchase. But
Got you.
yeah, man, that shit looking real nice.
I got the chart pulled up for Nvidia now. Let me see what I got on the technical side of things. Let me switch this cord to this light so I can get this back on. So y'all can see my black eye.
Yeah, man, I gotta get my camera in front of my in front of my.
Yeah, I had to switch this one to the front because I was looking like way the hell over here somewhere when I had that
Yeah,
camera
they're
on
like,
too.
man, what you looking at, my boy? Oh shit.
For sure.
But yeah, man. So
I see.
Nvidia.
We recently broke highs, which was at like 144.50 on Nvidia. We broke highs. I had this already drawn out on Nvidia before it even got up here, but I didn't
Yeah.
follow this. I had already had this drawn out when we were down here. We should have got in back here. I think you were still in, but I should have been getting in when it was here. I think what I was waiting on was to kind of get like a little bit lower, for it to drop a little bit lower and get a little bit closer to where it closed down here around, where were we at? Around 132. And up here we was at like 134. I was probably waiting on like 134 even, or
Yeah.
maybe 133.
I don't think it's coming back down there right now, bro.
Nah, hell
I don't,
no.
I don't think that. I
Before
think that
then,
shit.
before then when we was
I
over
think
here, I was looking for that, and that's why I missed it. I missed it going up, and then it went up, and it's looking to retest. So
definitely.
this is what I would say from the technical side. I would expect a retest of 144.50, and at that level, that's a significant
Yeah, that's a
buy
beautiful
zone.
level.
That's a crazy buy zone right there. Cause where's my tools at? Right here.
So even right here would be a good long term buy zone. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, once it retests those highs that it broke this past week, once it retests those, we can go ahead and jump on that. Cause honestly, once we come back and retest, we're gonna come down on our RSIs. We should be already coming down on the 1 hour. We rounded out 2 hour, the 4 hour. Yeah, that will be a crucial point. Now, if we could continue higher. We got room to continue higher from there, from where we at, because we've already came back a little bit.
Hey man, mark my words, bro. Video finna go crazy, dog. It's finna go off the chain.
Yeah,
It's finna go off the chain.
we can either push straight up from here, or we can touch 144 and then kill it.
And then yeah, retest and then go back. It's just giving it more
Yeah,
power to push
yeah,
through
cause
those
it's cooled
levels.
off. After if it done cooled off a little bit, it's damn sure gonna have the momentum to get up here. You talking about?
Yeah, cause the what 2 weeks now it's really been cooling, bro. Everything else been running, going crazy. Nvidia been chilling, and Nvidia is known for going crazy. It's a crack stock, so it's definitely known for all that. Um, but I definitely see this shit going crazy, bro, in this next coming weeks. Especially they got earnings coming up. I think the end of this month.
I should have been in
So
that shit right here, man. On Halloween, the 31st,
yeah,
that last touch right there. After that, it
it was
gapped up
gone.
and was gone.
It was gone.
It gapped up after it touched like 132.50. It just gapped up and was gone. $15 later.
Yup. So we got
Alright.
Nvidia clause 150 is going over to 150 and it's probably going to run. It's probably going to run over the I don't. Once it gets over, I see it going.
Yeah,
I
that's
see it going.
uncharted territory. So we going in. We gotta just see how
Yeah,
it
we
goes.
going, man. We getting on the train, man. We already on the train, but we gonna put some more baggage on the train. You know what I'm saying?
Straight
Shit
up.
about to go crazy.
I like that. Next you got shop. That was your
Yeah,
third.
we got Shopify. I'm looking at 90 calls. They got earnings on the 12th. Um, I'm looking at Shopify 90 calls, but I don't know if I'm gonna even go through that play. I might go through. I might buy one contract on that play. Just because they earning so close, and I like playing all out through the week. I like playing the pre-earnings run up all out through the week. So I'm definitely probably just gonna not play shop, or I'm just gonna buy one contract. But I like them to the upside. Let me put a chart up.
Shop
I ain't
already
got the
up.
chart up.
Shop up $2.88.
A pre-market?
Mm-hmm.
Oh what? See, yeah, they real bullish. They
That
real
was
bullish.
nice. That's a nice pop. They probably pulled back some because that's a big ass jump for shop. For shop don't move like that. To
Yeah, they
be at
don't.
90, that's a big ass jump for shop.
Yeah, Shopify might do its thing, man. And it's a cheap contract too. I think they contract cheap, so um
They contracts do
and
be cheap because I play them every now and then. I trade it every now and then. But
let me see what the IV looking like. Yeah, the IV high. So when the IV high, it's a lot more risky to even get in on those. They high IV around 90 to 150%.
on what calls you looking at the 90 calls?
Yeah. So the 90 calls is around 145% on the IV. So I might not even play Shopify because it's not looking it's just not looking enough for me. So I'm gonna probably pass on Shop, but I do like it to the upside still. I like it hitting that $100 level. I do like that. I ain't gonna lie.
I
But
think
we'll come back to that.
they'll keep. I think they'll keep pushing it overall based on like the fundamental story behind Shopify and them being and entrepreneurs being able to streamline their sales and like really get their feet wet with their brand.
Yeah.
They make it so they make it so user friendly when you
No,
building out websites and trying to get your feet off the ground. So they in the long term, on the long run, I do definitely see shop to the upside. Let's look at the charts. I
yeah, I
had
like that. I like that. But hey, but too, a reminder, if these stocks pull back, these stocks that I'm looking at, if they pull back on their earnings, I'm gonna load up on them.
yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
load up on contracts to the upside. Um, because I don't think these companies can do too bad to, have some type of baggage on them to where I don't want to buy them to the upside.
Yeah,
So
Shop is a good company. They got a
yeah,
solid.
I like.
We can go look at their. Let's go look at it. Actually, I should be able to bring up their financials right here. Let's see.
Yeah, and then also this week, to a reminder, we got data this week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we got big data every day before the market opens. So definitely keep that in mind
We
because it gets
got
real sticky sometimes during data week or data days.
Wednesday. We got core CPI and CPI. Um, Initial jobless claims, which you get every week. And crude oil inventories we get every week. Both of those come out on Thursday. Then we also get PPI on Thursday, and Jerome Powell speaks on Thursday, um, like right at market close. Um,
Yup.
and retail sales. That's what I'm really watching this week. The retail sales because as we roll over into this holiday season, I think we're gonna start seeing, especially if these retail sales come in hot, like we doing pretty good. It's gonna boost the retail sector, and it's gonna give it that momentum it needs to go ahead and start that run and that rally on into years in for
Yeah.
holidays, Christmas, all that stuff. So we about to get into that a little bit on my picks for the week, but that's
Let's
where
get
they
into
stem
it.
from. So we'll start with let's start with Nike. Um,
All right, we got Nike. Nike.
from
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna start with a technical standpoint because once I realized we had retail sales data, I went and looked at what companies in the retail sector were looking good on the technicals. Um, Nike, anytime Nike get down here to these 70s, that's a pretty good buy zone. If we go back on the weekly, I want to say we hugged this area a few times. Yeah, once we get down here to the 70s, that's a good area to catch the bottom. Um, I didn't really want to like catch a falling knife with Nike, but I like the double bottom is forming, especially on this weekly.
Yeah.
We get a push to the upside, we can that might be our chance to go ahead and catch it. Um, Depending on how much momentum it gets going into earnings. They have earnings next month on the 19th of December, so we might could get into something that we end up catching that rally, like leading us into earnings.
Yeah, man. I like Nike. I like Nike a lot. Cause they definitely working on like the inside, you know what I'm saying? Like the management, the sales, the product. They definitely working, and I could see Nike really going. It's gonna be like a dinosaur company. Saying I feel, bro.
It's another
Nike
one of
always
them
gonna be.
like it's another one of them like Disney. They've been around and in the game so long and in their industry and their space so long that they understand it better than a lot of their competitors. So yeah, they may not be where they were or where they could be and should be as a major player in that industry. Nike got what's it called branding mode. Like
Yeah,
you got people
they
that'll
know how to
just be
brand.
like they finna go get some Nikes, like some Nike. They got a branding mode. So just Nikes in general, you gonna be good in that space. But
Nah, exactly.
they've been on a
Yeah,
Nike push.
I'm liking Nike for long term. Right now is at $70. Like you can't beat it. You buying Nike right now and you're not invested into the stock. You know what I'm saying? That's how you pay for the Nike. You
Straight
got to
up.
make it make sense in certain ways, like life. That's really how you. That's how I look at life. Like I want something, I'm gonna invest into the stock. I'm gonna make it pay for it. You know what I'm saying? Like
Straight up.
that's the real goal. That's the goal.
Straight up. Oh yeah, I like
Nike
Nike,
though.
and I'm gonna put this on the chart real quick just so I can go back and look at it. It's ugly, but just so I can go back and look at it. Target.
Oh yeah, Target. We know. Hey, we know the women love Target. We know they love Target. They gonna come in they man pocket. They gonna run that card through Target.
They gonna
I'm
go in
trying to tell
Target
you.
and get that. They gonna go in Target and get that Starbucks.
They gonna go walk
And
straight to Starbucks.
Target
Hey,
from the
that's two
start.
stocks. Two stocks so far.
Target from the start doing like drinks, like a bar.
Yeah,
Yeah, they
yeah.
from the
They turned, bro.
they from the
They on
start.
some next
Now
level
once they
shit,
get the drinking and you know damn well they gonna get to buying up shit. So
bro. They
you know,
finna pass Walmart, man. They already on next level shit, bro. That's some like like soon, bro. They gonna have like shopping carts that move by themselves. You know
oh
what I'm
yeah
saying?
for
Like
sure. That shit
bro,
coming
I
for
was in
sure.
the air. I was in the airport the other day, and you know how like they have the people that move the old people in the wheelchairs. Bro, they got remote control wheelchairs now that just go by themselves.
Oh damn,
Like,
I ain't know they was
bro,
on that already.
they taking this shit like to the next level, bro. So just imagine what the store is gonna do, like when the AI connect in. You know what I'm saying? Like it's
I
realistic.
figured they was already gonna start
Unguardable.
doing that. I figured they was gonna start doing that with baskets. Like instead of having to get the baskets out the parking lot, they gonna have some type of system, AI system that bring them shits back to the store.
They just go by themselves, huh?
Yeah, some type of way they
Yeah.
gonna do that. Cause that's gotta be one of the most fucking aggravating
Target.
tasks that a motherfucker could have at a Walmart or a Target.
Yeah, Target probably gonna be the first one to do. Definitely like that. Target just like a high value, shopping center. Like, a lot of people prefer Target over Walmart any day.
Yeah, you
Like
got a
that,
lot of
those
people
are the
that
top
prefer them
two.
over Walmart for sure.
But yeah, we liking Target, man. We liking Target to the upside, my brother.
Yeah, I like Target to the upside. They got earnings on November 20th. So
Yeah,
yeah, I like Target at the levels it's at. Now I wish I would have seen it here on Wednesday at the bottom when it dipped down there. I would have caught that,
yeah,
but
for sure.
it's all good. I like.
Yeah, I like
Uh,
Target too. I'm definitely tuned in on Target.
I got a late start on looking at some of them, so I probably have a few more that I like going into the market open tomorrow. But for right now, that's
Yeah.
the two I'm looking at.
Yeah, bro.
Um,
My top picks this week: Disney, Nvidia, Tesla, and definitely Meta. Definitely Meta over 600. 600 calls. Do 600 calls on Meta. I might get in on November 15th. I might do some swings during the week with Meta. I already got my two long-term contracts on.
oh yeah, yeah.
But Meta been one of those ones too. Like after the election, they've been kind of chilling. Like they've been not like Tesla. So
They ain't been
Nvidia,
pushing it like they
Meta,
was, but a lot of them in the queues, they kind of chilled out a little bit when everything else went to running.
yeah,
So a few of them gonna start getting some love soon.
yeah, man. And I see I'm about to pull up the Nasdaq right now. I definitely see the Nasdaq running tomorrow or this week. This week, cause
Accused.
cause yeah, bro. They trying to get over a kind of like a this level right here at the 21,300.
You looking at the
So I could definitely
Nasdaq? You
see the
looking at
Qs running
NDX?
this week.
You looking at NDX?
Nah, just NQ. Just
NQ.
NQ. Yeah, on TradingView. NQ.
Okay.
In the market live right now, so they at 21,003. They definitely. I like the Qs. I could hold on. Let me pull up the Qs because I think the Qs is at. I think the Qs is at almost the 20 mark. Yeah, they at 515. So I could definitely see the Qs hitting the 520 this week. I might do a swing on the QQQs starting tomorrow.
The Qs. Let's see. This the
QQQ looking nice for sure.
this the one.
Got the dog on the pre or on the overnight.
See how they open up. They broke out of this rising wedge. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we got the QQQ. I'm gonna shoot.
I want to see how the market gonna react after the election. Not now that the election is over and that it's made that move. Anxious to see
Yeah,
how
I'm
it
gonna see
starts
how it
to
play
move.
out. I'm gonna see how it play out. But I don't know. I think that momentum still might continue. That's that's where my mind's at with it. I think that momentum might continue this week, especially with the data. If the data come out popping, you know, we might. I don't know what we're gonna do Monday, Tuesday, but I can see the momentum, continuing. Uh, I like it. I like the upside on a lot of things right now. But hey, that could change tomorrow.
Yeah,
This is what I'm seeing right now.
once the market open, we'll definitely be able to see how everybody feeling. Um,
Yeah, facts.
we got the fear greed index is now up to greed. Remember last week we were in fear mode. Yeah, 1 week ago we were in fear. So we getting up there to um once we cross into that extreme greed, that's when you want to be cautious about playing to the upside, because a lot of the market should be signaling it's overbought, but we just crossing into greed, so we probably still got a little bit more to push to the upside. We've been
Like
ranging,
that.
yo.
Like that.
We've been ranging between greed. A month ago we were in greed. A week ago we were in fear, and now we're back in greed. So see how that plays out. Earnings. Let's see. Uh, I didn't get a chance to really look over earnings, but glancing over there, for one that stick out is Plug. I've been rocking
Yeah.
with Plug a little bit here lately. Um, what's crazy is I was up on Plug shares, probably like 500 the other day when it made that nice run. Cause
Yeah.
it don't move much. It's only a $2 stock, and it'll move like 15 cents or something like that. But I'm up to 1,000 shares now, so when it does move like 10 cent, that's usually like $100. So when you get those 20 cent moves, 30 cent moves, you get a few $100 off of those. But I think they still are a major part of the whole energy deal, like because they provide like hydrogen. Um, the way that they provide their energy is mainly this main source is hydrogen. So it ain't too many companies. They're the main player in that space.
Yeah.
And with them coming up on earnings and then energy being a major thing for us moving forward, going into AI and EVs and all that stuff, I think they're gonna give some pretty good forward guidance that's gonna get a stock a nice rally. So that's my idea of
And
plug.
yeah, and plug is a very cheap stock. Definitely something nice to get in.
Yeah, for
Some
sure.
people don't some people don't realize whenever it is definitely the best time to get in, but when you start seeing it go up, you're like, damn.
Yeah,
So I
because
got
to
in.
be honest, Plug was in the 30s, and I know why they fell. I remember when they fell because I was looking at them a while back, thinking that they were a different. I was thinking that they were like a EV charging station type company. That's what I thought they were a while back when I used to mess around with them. And this was probably like last year sometime. And last year they were in the last year they was up here like 16. They dropped all the way down to 7, went back up to 13, and now they kind of bottoming out where they started at back here in 18.
Yeah.
They flat. They was right in 18. They was right here at around like $1 to $2, $1, $3, somewhere up in that range. That's where it's ranging at now. So once that hydrogen becomes a little bit more significant and important to um, this whole energy deal with AI and shit,
Gonna take off, bro.
yeah,
It's a no brainer.
it's gonna get back up there.
It's a no brainer. I like
Let's
that.
see.
I like
Plug
it.
cyber art.
Oh
I like.
yeah, another company, bro, that I didn't speak on was that's having earnings this week is Applied Materials.
Hey, AMAT. Yup. I was gonna get the AMAT on Thursday. Yeah. I fought with AMAT.
Yeah,
I damn near play AMAT blind to the
I
upside too.
think.
I fought with them.
See, I don't know. A-Man might be a good one, bro. It man might be a good one to get into.
Yeah, I ain't even look at their chart, but I like AMAT as a company.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, for sure.
Let me go look at their
Yeah,
chart. They fucking around and be looking good on the chart. We might be in there.
yeah, 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 bro. I think it's gonna be a nice week for us. It's gonna be a beautiful week. So far, that's what I got. That's what I'm watching. But I'm gonna also add some things during the week. I'm gonna be looking at some things tomorrow, see what plays out, and I'm gonna go from there. That's what I'm looking like, man. That's what I'm looking like. But I think I'm gonna get very aggressive. Get very.
I think I seen something. Nah, that was Smith Micro. I about to say, damn, Super Micro in here again. Could have swore they just had earned. We got Occidental. Tuesday aftermarket. That's one of the big fuel energy companies. But yeah, plug AMAT and just glancing over this, like plug AMAT, CyberArk. Those are the ones I'll be probably paying the most attention to. Plug AMAT, CyberArk. And
Yeah.
all three of those I like to the upside. Plug AMAT, CyberArk. So that's something we might end up doing, bro. We might end up keeping track of that. Like when we start doing earnings, like we can start keeping track of like our record with, the earnings, how they end up doing on the
Yeah.
on the backside of that.
Shit, I'm with it, man. I'm gonna put it all in my trading.
But
Yeah, we
that's
finna
what
get
we
busy this week though. Finna get busy this week.
probably end up doing a live midweek too. We get a chance. Do an update on how we looking.
Yeah, hey, when we get this shit down too, bro, we gonna go live on IG,
Oh yeah.
all that shit.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure. For sure.
but
They
yeah, I'm
really could
liking
do
that,
it
bro.
now, honestly. Like even that's probably better for like midweek, like doing our live on here on the weekends, and then midweek we can, cause it's easy to just jump on the Instagram. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, facts. Yeah, cause I mean, I got like a little base on my Instagram, that's interested in stocks and stuff.
The
But yeah, I
people
think I'm
on
gonna start
mine,
doing
they
that.
they half-ass act like they interested on mine, but I don't think they really
Yeah,
feel
they
it.
definitely have. Hey, they definitely have fast. They definitely not fully interested. You know what I'm saying? I
Mhm.
I really think they just not ready to learn. Like, if you ready to learn, you ready for whatever comes with that. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm. Yep.
But I don't think they're ready to learn and really go to the next level in life, bro. Like, you gotta learn. You gotta take risks. You gotta go through a whole bunch of shit just to get to where you like want to go in that space. Like, but people see like they see the wins, and that's what they see. They don't see. They don't see what you got to go through to get those wins. You know what I'm
Mhm.
saying?
And not even just speaking physically, what you go through, you got a lot of shit you got to go through psychologically dealing with this shit,
Yeah,
man. Like
exactly.
you once you cross that barrier, I think you'll be a lot better off. You're gonna take L's and stuff like that, but once you cross that barrier of like understanding the psychological part of it, like being able to withstand it and not get so emotional when you see the red days and when you see the market in a certain condition and stuff like that, but being able to see it for what it actually is and seeing the opportunities in that time versus just seeing the shit down. That's when it shifts
Exactly.
for
Yeah,
sure.
that's the move, man. That's the move.
Yeah, I like it,
Definitely.
man. My boy got Disney, Nvidia. I know you like Tesla and Meta.
Yup.
Yeah,
I'm like, yep, got all them. So Disney, Nvidia, Tesla, Meta, and we going crazy. We going, hey, dog.
Straight up.
If I don't make, hey, brother, if I don't make, if I don't make 5K by Tuesday, dog, just fire me, dog. Just get me out of there, dog. Just get me out of there, dog.
Straight up.
No cap.
We got goals, man. We got goals. We got goals. I
Hey
like
man,
it.
hold up. Hey, we got a screen record. We got a screen record. Hold up.
Hold on.
Hey, bro, if I don't make 5K, if I
Hold
don't
on,
make
let me get
5K
the.
by
I'm gonna get the
Tuesday,
screen
bro.
recorder up. Nah. Cause I could have took it from the live video. I'm gonna just do the screen record though. Good
All right,
luck.
yeah. I'm gonna post that bitch. Cause watch, I'm gonna make 5K. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
That's a bet.
You record?
We on. Let's go.
All right. Hey, if I don't make 5K by Tuesday, then just take me out of there, man. Just fire me.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
take everything from me. Just take it all, man. And
That's
I'm
how
gonna
we
retry.
rockin'.
I'm gonna retry. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna
Straight
come
up.
back. I'm gonna come back for that. But hey, just if I don't make 5K by Tuesday, then hey, just fire me.
Then what
Just
we
take me
doing?
out of the stock market, man.
Then what
Take
we
me out of
doing?
Wall Street. I'm gonna sell my computers. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do. Hey, that's what it is. That's what it's going. I'm gonna sell my everything, dog. I'm gonna get rid of everything. You know what I'm saying?
Straight up. Big goals, man. We're gonna have to run that
Hey.
back. Run that back after you drop that 5K, and then that's gonna be a
Oh.
nice clip.
That shit gonna be nice, bro. That shit gonna be nice.
Straight up though, man. Well, that's how we rocking this week. Like I said, I'm looking at the retail sector to try to get my foot in there somewhere.
Yeah.
Because I know that's gonna start picking up along with the holidays and shit. So yeah, that's how we rocking, man.
Get it, man. Hey, we only getting better, bro. We only getting better.
For
We
sure.
only elevating, bro. Cause we gonna look back at this video, and we gonna be like, damn.
Look at the fuck we was
Like
doing back
what?
then, like.
Like what? Hey, bro. But we know.
Straight
But
up.
they, you know what I'm saying? Our family, they might not know, but they gonna know. You know what I'm saying? Like it's
For
just
sure.
one of those things.
For sure.
But hey, we know, bro.
For sure.
Hey, send that record to me after we close out.
I got you. So we gonna I'm gonna log off the YouTube and we'll be back next week. Yo,
Yeah, we
your boy
gonna be
Gunna
back.
CEO.
You know what I'm saying? We gonna be back and better, man. More energy coming, man. Stop playing. Stop
Straight up.
fucking playing, man. I'm finna turn y'all up, man.